Apple's long-rumored foldable iPhone may finally arrive this year, and the biggest surprise might be the price. Early estimates suggested it could cost around $2,400, but new leaks claim it may start at $1,999, the same price as Samsung's top foldable phones. The device is expected to use a book-style design. When closed, it works like a normal iPhone, but when unfolded, it reveals a large screen roughly the size of an iPad mini, giving users more space for watching videos, gaming, and multitasking. Apple is also reportedly updating iOS, so the phone can run two apps side by side, creating an iPad-like experience on the foldable display. To make the device thin enough, Apple may replace Face ID with Touch ID in the side button, and the phone could include two rear cameras instead of three. The company has also been working on reducing the screen crease and improving durability, two common problems with foldable phones. Apple's strategy may be simple: price the foldable close to its rivals to attract as many users as possible and quickly gain market share in the foldable phone market. Now the big question is whether Apple's first foldable iPhone will become the next big smartphone revolution or just another expensive experiment. Guess we'll find out. See you in the next one!